Hey guys, in this video we are going to see that how we can use Gutenberg editor to create our first page. Now, in previous video we talked about the Gutenberg editor and how it is different than the Elementor, but today we are going to see that how we can literally create a page using Gutenberg editor. So let's get started. I wanted to tell you that in the initial state I use classic editor because when I manipulate with Elementor and the SEO part, it is really easy to navigate through the classic editor theme. Let me just show you. I have downloaded an extra plugin for it. That's the classic editor. I'm going to activate it. What it does, it will provide me with the original Gutenberg editor that is provided by WordPress. Now let me go to pages, all pages, and click on template. Alright, let it load. If I click on edit, now you can see that I won't be presented with the Gutenberg editor. You see, I get an option of adding a paragraph and just a basic text box in which I have to create my own app, own page. Now, it is really bad in terms of development because I won't be able to add extra designs and or so and so. So let's go back and deactivate it so that we can use the Gutenberg editor. Once I deactivate it, my page will have back to the new Gutenberg editor. Now, WordPress has redeveloped their, you can say, the infrastructure of Gutenberg editor really well. And in terms of customizing and creating a custom templates, they have improved really well. But still, I would still prefer to use Elementor. And anyways, let's get started. So, uh, Gutenberg editor is also known as block editor because it gives us this block part in which we have to just create this particular blocks and put our content in it. Now, for example, let's see if I have to add a heading here. All right, this is a block in which I added an heading. Now I'm going to put something like this is a template page. Okay, template page, and let's make it center line. I'm leaving it to h2, and this is the alignment part. All right, the further editing we will do in the block part. Now we are in the block part, and here you can basically edit your particular elements here. Now for example, if I want to change the color of the font, text, I'm going to just select whatever I need, just like any other tool. Let's give it a that bright yellow. How about this one? I'm going to give it a custom color, and let's go back. Size meet. It does Excel. All right, Excel is good. Let's give it a capital casing or maybe uppercase system. And yeah, I believe this looks average. And let's add an image just below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the media, and here in the images I can select an image, put it just below it, and there you go. I have my image here. I'm going to remove the caption of the image, and let's edit the image. Let's click on align, and we are going to, I wanted to change its width. Alright, yeah, here I have it. Let's give it a 500 and auto and center align. No, alright, this looks good. I mean average again, but yeah, with that, let's create our table. Now in the Elementor we don't get an option of table, so it is really good. I want another block. So I'm going to add table just below it. uh, I would say a 2 cross 3 table would be nice. Why is there heading 1? But I wanted it to be a 2 cross 3. Alright, let's remove it and create another one. Let's this time give it a 3 by 3. Alright, it's still not showing there. Hmm. I believe it's some kind of new plugin, but anyways, let's update it and see that how our page looks. I should just delete it as well. There's no need to put it. Rather than that, let's put a paragraph here. Drag and drop here. What should I write? What should I write in this paragraph? Alright, I'm really bad with spellings, I guess. Paragraph. Now I got it. Right in this paragraph in order to populate it. Yeah, let's give it a center line and update. Let's see how our page with the Gutenberg editor looks. Yeah, it looks kind of nice. Like if I go to any post and see the structure, you can see that it is kind of similar. Although I also used Elementor objects in here, but still, it looks okay to me, being honest with you. Let's go back to the template part. And but for the experimental part, or as a beginner or creating a just a post website, you can use Gutenberg editor. And yeah, pretty much it. So thank